Kaczek pełno, zajebane. Co? Nie. Się nie boją wcale pierdolone. They don't afraid at all. No, dobra aparatka, co? Ona tam dziubie, kurwa, coś tam dziubie, They don't afraid at all, Nie taki kurde. No. Nie, nie. Aparatki, kurde. Cześć aparatki, The water is so low anyway, We should buy the other one. Kociołkujemy. It's like I don't know how to say in English, like a pot cooking. Sausage, tomato, steaks from yesterday because we wouldn't like to throw it away. All be nice and perfect. And then on the end it's a macaron, you know, coming like a pasta is coming into it. So it must be amazing for a camping anyway. So no worries about that. I'm so sorry. Ale balak se. Już przyleciał? Makaron wrzuciliśmy bezglutenowy, so we put the gluten free pasta. It's not like that. What is a pasta? It's a macaroni, not pasta. Fellas, just listen to me, I'm telling you. It's macaroni. I don't know why they using the word of like a pasta. Pasta is like a paste, you know, for the hands. This is a macaroni. Is that right? It is sweet though. We have to fill it up with the water a bit. Fill it up with the water and be perfect. The water goes away a bit. No worries, I'll put more. 180. I poczekamy, się zagotuje pięknie paręnaście minut i będzie amazingowski. Także tak. I teraz czekamy. Będziemy mieszać. We'll like, turn around every few minutes, we'll see what happens. Kociołki, kurwa. Znalazły kociołki, kurwa. Polskie kociołki do gotowania. I can't, kurwa. I kurwa can't. And then cans, you know, from England go to Poland for a holiday and kociołki sweeto. You know kociołek? Ja ci powiem, kurwa, co to jest. Kociołki pierdolone.
Mix it.
Mix it up. Sorry. Mixing up. Same te kociołki, kurwa. Pots. It's not pots. It's good anyway. Doesn't matter how looks like. Doesn't matter how tastes like. You know what I mean?